Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so I'm back after having that was a good quick 10 minutes, wasn't it? Wow, that time went really quick. Right, okay, so how is my mask feeling right now? It doesn't feel like it's going tight, so that's one good thing, isn't it? I don't like these masks that are tight. So while I'm on here, I'm going to quickly run through our kudos for this month, okay? So as you know by now, those of you that follow me on a regular basis, okay? We have, hi Tracy, hello my lovely. Every month we have a customer kudos, specially designed for you lovely people. And this month's kudos consists of a face mask. Hey Wendy, hello Sophie, hello, hello, hello. This month consists of a face mask of your choice, sorry. I'm using the hydrating mask, which obviously after its name is for people with dry skin. You also get a toner of your choice. So we have 4 fragrances. This is rose water. We also have grapefruit, cucumber and lavender as well. Amazing, right? And all those properties do amazing things for your skin. So I'm using the rose water today. As soon as I've taken the mask off, I'm literally going to spritz my face with this, okay? And then you also get a pack of wipes. Our cleansing cloths are absolutely amazing. They are infused with natural oils. So you've got olive oil and you've got various other oils as well. They're infused in the cloths to take your makeup off, and they are absolutely amazing. So those 3 products are £61, okay? Which is a steal of a deal. So literally you are getting a pack of wipes for free. So, ladies, this is the month you really need to start looking after your skin, okay? So if you're a little bit unsure of what skin mask to use, please PM me. You know, I'm more than happy to give you some guidance. If you're unsure of what toning spritz to use, then please let me know, and I can sort of plan out for you and choose the right products to tailor your skincare needs, okay? So, here goes. Right, now I've literally just got a cleaning flannel, okay? So I'm just literally gonna wipe that off, and it's just as simple as that. No ugly pulling your face apart like some of these masks do. Ours are so soft and so gentle, and you're literally just wiping that off with a face flannel. And that is that. And my skin, oh my God, my skin feels amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow is what I would say to that. That feels absolutely, I'll tell you what it feels like. If you have, I don't know, I mean, I don't use face soap on my face because it dries your face out. But years ago, obviously when I was a child, here we go, going back to my age again. When I was a child, we used to have a face soap called Lux, I believe. Am I right, calling it Lux? Lux face soap. And it was really, really soapy and really lathery. Now, I remember my nan washing my face with that as a little girl, and that's what that reminds me of, actually. The lovely feeling of lovely softness on it. Was a really lovely, soft, lathery soap, and that's exactly what this feels like. A really nice sensation. Now that's easily come off, hasn't it? Hey Sandra, hey Lucretia. That is amazing. I absolutely love that. And my skin feels so refreshed. It feels so refreshed and so hydrated right now. Really soft. That's done my face, it really has done my face a treat. Hey Rosie, hello my lovely. Right, I'm swiping this off because I can't see where I'm going. Okay, so just a warm face flannel is what I've used. Now, if I use this 2 or 3 times a week, twice a week, because I haven't got excessively bad skin, obviously, I've been using our products for quite some time. For a year now, I've been using our new OLOGY products, which is amazing. They came out a year ago. So, oh, that just feels divine, honestly. I can't tell you, honestly, it's hard to describe because you're not here with me. If I had you here with me, I'd let you have a go of it, honestly. It is that beautiful. So any of my Spanish ladies, my Spanish friends here, if you'd like to try this amazing mask out, come to mine. Come to mine, I'll let you have a go. That is feeling amazing. Amazing, amazing. There you go, you got a little song as well. Right, so now I'm going to go in with my toning spritz to keep my skin hydrated and refreshed. So I'm using rose water because I absolutely love rose water. And rose water, if you look it up, has so many different properties. Sunburn, it's good. It's a good astringent, good for bites, many properties. Now I'm just literally, I gave that a little spritz there. I probably looked hideous doing that as well, didn't I? I'm literally just going to rub that into my skin. Oh my goodness, you don't understand how wonderful my skin feels. It feels absolutely amazing. Just give that little rub. And let that dry in. So, if you have any comments, any questions about any of the products I've shown you today, and please PM me. So I'm going to just literally let this dry now. Let it sit and dry, and then I'm going to put moisturiser on. That's me done. My serum, my moisturiser, and that is me done. That's my skincare done for today until this evening before I go to bed. And that is that. Now, if you keep up a regime like this every single day, you're going to have amazing skin. Seriously, in no time at all. Results, honestly, the results, I've been using the programme now for the resume, literally for over a year, and I have the best skin ever. And my skin used to be super dry, seriously, terrible skin I used to have. So, there you have it. That is the hydrating mask that I've just used, and our rose water. And they're both available in our kudos this month, along with a pack of cleansing wipes. So I hope you've enjoyed what I've showed you today. As always, my darlings, shares are always greatly appreciated. If you have any questions about what I've showed you today, please PM me. More than happy to answer anything you have to say. And enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.